Hello everyone. So in this video let us talk about permissions in Jira. Now I was talking to my friend Chinar here, who is recording the video. He was asking me about how to set up the granular permissions in Jira. Now Jira is of course great. In Jira of course you can have permissions based on who can create an issue, who can assign the issues. So these permissions are great and these can be configured using permission schemes, and these permission schemes in Jira can be configured by Jira admin. So you need to be Jira administrator to configure permissions in your different projects. Now when it comes to permissions, I would say in the beginning look at the default permissions. So Jira comes with a default permission scheme. So if you create a new project in Jira, you will basically get a permission scheme, and that permission scheme is actually not bad because it is it will cover most of the common use cases. But the thing is, when it comes to permissions, these permissions are there on the whole project, right? So this can be not desirable for everyone, because when we talk about permissions in Jira, you can decide whether this role or this user can create an issue, whether this group of people can be an assignee in Jira. So these permissions, as I mentioned before, are not based on the issue or a specific issue. You cannot do that for your epics. You cannot say that, okay, only allow certain users to create a story. So this is something that you need to be aware of. Although there are some workarounds, there are things that you can do, but I thought I'll probably talk about some common use cases. So the first thing that you should do, you should of course decide who can enter your project, right? Now this is actually very important permission, and this permission is actually called as browse project permission. So browse project permission will decide who can basically see your project, who can see your issues unless they are hidden. And I will talk about how to hide the issues here. And in case you're wondering, I'm here in a stadium. I used to play here cricket. So this is my playground. I'm in my home ground here, so I thought I'll also record a video. And in the background you can see a TV tower, slightly off topic, but I just wanted to show you. Okay, so we were talking about browse project permission, and these permissions will help you as an admin, as a stakeholder, to decide who can do stuff or work on your project. Now usually the browse project permission is actually the most important permission, and once you're done with this permission, then you have to decide what next. Now of course take a look at the different permissions that you have in your permission scheme, like create issue, edit issue, start sprint, complete sprint, right? So there are plenty of permissions.